Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lon Elliott here, and today we're gonna play some Minecraft. So let's go ahead. Don't see any of those. Let's create a new world. Should I just name this? Uh, as you can see, it's really loud because I have my mic really close to my thing. So let's make it survival, but don't look at that. Let's create that. Get that new world. I'm able to just uh toggle down phone and stuff. So yeah, it's loading the world. It might be a little small too because I have it windowed. So something I might things like that. Okay, so here's Minecraft. As you can see, my scan is loaded and I have gone into the water, that's what I see. And let's go ahead and do this. So first thing you know about Minecraft is you need a house. Before you can even get a house. Oh, that's not normal? Oh. Dang. Okay. So I can do that. So I can do that. And I think I've seen a couple of stuff on need this for a later episode. I'm not gonna tell you about it now. If we're gonna live right inside of a spawn thing, shall we? Just go like searching around. So yeah, that's like this video. Please subscribe. So for like 50 or like 70 likes on this first ever episode. I've been talking a lot in like Sky Does Minecraft thing, and I'd be like, you know what, I've been talking but I've never been doing, so I'm gonna do this. So I always wanted to, but something will always happen. So yeah. I'm gonna make a sword. This would make me a pickaxe. Pickaxe would be much better. And I get stone, iron, and stuff in this pickaxe. Boop. And let's just go ahead and make those. Make. And 1.7 by 2 by the way, because the other ones are not working with my screen. So I'm gonna have to do this. I also will be doing a couple mod reviews. So yeah. Can anyone tell me? I'm just gonna be realistic. Can anyone tell me if I have like anything like you guys can post in the comments. Can I do anything except play Minecraft as personal? I have a Steam account, so go ahead and check that. And also I'm trying to get big. Well, not big, or at least have some subscribers on YouTube. So if you can tell your friends to tell their friends about me, it'll be a cycle. Really fun series. When I chicken out like I do every time I play Minecraft, I'll also be kind of laggy. I don't have Optifine because something from my Minecraft I can't download more. But I can't tell you about. I'm not gonna make a big, not gonna make a small house. I'm gonna make a lake house right in the swamp. Let's go ahead and make that now. Do like a little farm and stuff in the back here. I'm gonna figure this one line out so I can get my wide house I want. And have like it's 15 much I have 15 I'm doing it because I have my I see my inventory and my hotbar. Go ahead and bloop bloop bloop. It's birchwood? No, it's like bloop bloop bloop. Let's do kinda one right there, so make it like 7, 2, 3, 3, 4. That's not small. Oh crap. Really slow. You might see me lag and like die. And this is pretty much gonna be a series about basic Minecraft. Glenderman, get Eyes of Enders, kill the Ender Dragon on the Double Jumper. And I also will be playing like GTA for like Minecraft because I want to pay $20 GTA, am I right? Fun fact for today, I'm gonna do fun facts every now and then in survival. Did you know that PlayStation can't have games PlayStation Store more than $20? A lot of people always like to buy stuff at the PlayStation Store because it's like, if you put $20 on your credit card and like use that, you can do that. I don't have enough bridge. I need to get more of that regular wood. Just over there. There's some birch wood from my ground, so let's go ahead and get those. I also need to plant some wheat. Going vegan this episode. I'm just gonna go vegan this episode. I'm gonna go searching for trees and stuff. Get apples and stuff from them. I haven't lost any of my things. I haven't been running around killing stuff. I was gonna make some string to make a wall for my bed, but also that's a lot of bridge saplings. You know, not a lot of those. A little bit more wood. Probably gonna have to come back like in like 5 minutes. Yeah. I want to make it like a. Oh, I'm 6 minutes in. Okay, guys. I'm gonna like kind of finish off a little. Oh, sorry. Little first house, and then I'm probably gonna take that. 7 minutes in now. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end the episode there because I only wanted to be 8 minutes so I can upload fast on YouTube. But yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please. Yeah. Until then, keep on doing whatever you're doing with your life. And I am out of here.